Hi, this is Dan Maloney. We're at NAB New York 2019, showcasing the Monarch line of encoders. 2013, we started with our first Monarch HD, streaming and recording appliance. Stream at one bit rate and record at another. This was an HDMI only device. Moving on to the Monarch HDX was a dual channel encoder. Both encoders could be streaming or recording, or one of each. Has SDI and HDMI. It includes frame synchronization technology so that no matter how dirty the signal was coming in, we would ensure we send a pristine signal out. It also includes closed captioning in the Monarch HDX. Afterwards, we came up with the Monarch LCS. This is a lecture capture appliance. It takes two inputs. Can stream or record both those inputs independently. If you had a video camera and a PowerPoint presentation, we can either combine them in the presentation, picture-in-picture, or do full independent capture for those to be uploaded to a VMS, media server that would be found in schools so that professors could both record their classes and make them available for students afterwards. HD, HDX, and LCS was our enterprise or government, house of worship targeted markets for those encoders. Lately, at NAB 2019, we launched our Monarch Edge encoder. Monarch Edge encoder was targeting 4K encoding, streaming, but more importantly, we really saw remote production as a great application for a multi-channel encoder. So these devices, Monarch Edge encoder, can record or encode 4 I/O 1080p 60 signals simultaneously synchronized. It also includes other signal types like talkback audio and tally signals. And we launched at IBC the Monarch Edge decoder. So now we have a full workflow for those wanting to capture content remotely at an event, stream that back to a home base where they can do full-out production, bringing that content back to SDI into their traditional switcher.